Hello viewers, welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. Here I am posting part 3 of finding squares of numbers easily with the help of Vedic Mathematics. Now in this video we will find the square of 4 digits and 5 digit numbers. So for more such videos you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. So far we have learned two methods to find square of numbers easily with the help of Vedic mathematics. Now steps to find the square of a number. First, choose a base 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 which is nearest to the number. Second, if number is less than base, then find deficit. Now deficit will be base minus number. Square of number will have two parts, LHP and RHP. LHP is left hand part, RHP is right hand part. Now square of number will be, LHP formula is number minus deficit and RHP formula is deficit square. If number is greater than base, then find surplus. Now surplus will be number minus base. Now square of number will have two parts, LHP, RHP. Formula for LHP is number plus surplus and RHP will be surplus square. Now we have seen two cases. One, when the base is greater than number. In that case we will find deficit. And second case where the number is greater than base. In that case we will find the surplus. So surplus will be number minus base. Now fourth point. The digits in RHP should be equal to number of zeros in the base. So there are two parts of answer, LHP and RHP. So digits in RHP should be equal to number of zeros in the base. So if suppose base is 100, so RHP must contain 2 digits. If base is 1000, RHP must contain 3 digits. And if base is 10,000, RHP must contain 4 digits. So RHP should be equal to the number of zeros in the base. Now extra digits, if there are extra digits in RHP, it will be carried over to LHP and added to it. So suppose base is 100 and RHP is having 3 digits. Now the third digit at 100's place is carried over to LHP and added to it. And second case where if there are less digits in RHP, then the number of zeros in base, then add required number of zeros in RHP. So suppose our base is 1000 and RHP has 2 digits. Then we will add 1 zero before the 10th digit in RHP, as we need 3 zeros in our RHP. Now, after following these steps, combine the LHP and RHP to get square of the number. Let's see some examples. To find the square of a number when the base is 1000 and number is less than base. Now, in order to find the square of 983, we know that 983 is nearest to 1000. So, here base is 1000 and the number is less than the base. So we will find the deficit. Now deficit will be base minus number. So deficit equals to 1000 minus 983 equals to 17. Now square of number will have two parts, LHP and RHP. So 983 square will be, LHP formula is number minus deficit and RHP formula is deficit square. So number is 983 minus deficit is 17. And deficit square is 17 square. So 983 minus 17 is 966 and 17 square is 289. Now to get square of number, combine LHP and RHP. So when we combine LHP and RHP, our square is 966289. Find the square of 999. Now base will be 1000 as 999 is nearest to 1000. Now number is less than base, so we will find the deficit. Now deficit will be base minus number. Now base is 1000, number is 999, so 1000 minus 999 is 1. Now square of number will have two parts, LHP, RHP. Formula for LHP is number minus deficit and for RHP deficit square. Now number minus deficit will be 999 minus 1 and deficit square will be 1 square. Now 999 minus 1 is 998 and 1 square is 1. Now we will add 2 zeros in RHP. Since base has 3 zeros, RHP must contain 3 digits. So write 2 zeros before the unit digit in RHP. So before 1 we will place 2 zeros to get 3 digits in RHP. So our answer will be 998001. To find the square of a number when the base is smaller than the number. Now suppose we have to find the square of 1019. Now we'll choose base as 1000 as it is nearest to 1000. Now 1000 smaller than 1019. So we'll find the surplus. Surplus will be number minus base. Now number is 1019, base is 1000. So 1019 minus 1000 is 19. Now surplus is 19. Now square of number will have two parts, LHP and RHP. Formula for LHP is number plus surplus and RHP is surplus square. Now number plus surplus is 1019 plus 19 and surplus square is 19 square. Now we'll get 1038 and 361. Now we'll combine this LHP and RHP to get our answer. 1038 361 is our answer. Find the square of 1041. Now we will choose base as 1000 as 1041 is nearest to 1000. Now 1000 is smaller than 1041. So here base is smaller than the number. So we'll find the surplus. Surplus will be number minus base. Now number is 1041 minus base is 1000 which is equals to 41. So 41 is our surplus. Now square of number will have two parts, LHP and RHP. LHP formula is number plus surplus and RHP formula is surplus square. Now number plus surplus will be 1041 plus 41 and surplus square will be 41 square. Now 1041 plus 41 is 1082 and 41 square is 1681. Now you can see there are 4 digits in RHP. But since the base has 3 zeros, RHP must contain 3 digits. So digit at thousands place of RHP is carried over to LHP and added to it. So 1 here will be added to LHP. So 1082 plus 1 and RHP will be 681. So our new LHP will be 1083 and RHP will be 681. Now we can combine this LHP and RHP to get the answer. So answer is 1083 681. To find the square of a number when the base is 10,000 and number is less than base. Now suppose we want to find the square of 9995. Now the base will be 10,000 as it is nearest to 10,000. So here the number is less than base. So we'll find the deficit. Now deficit will be base minus number. Base is 10,000 and number is 9995. So our deficit will be 5. Now square of number will be have two parts, LHP and RHP. So LHP formula will be number minus deficit and RHP will be deficit square. So number minus deficit is 9995 minus 5 and deficit square is 5 square. Now after solving, LHP will be 9990 and RHP will be 25. Now since base has 4 zeros, we want 4 digits in RHP. So we'll place 2 zeros before the 10th digit in RHP. So our LHP will be 9990 and RHP will be 0025. Now combine the LHP and RHP to get the answer. 999 is our answer. Now let's take a case when the base is less than the number. Now we want to find the square of 10022. Now base is 10,000 as it is nearest to 10,000. So 10,000 is less than the number. Now in this case we'll find the surplus. So surplus will be number minus base. Now number is 10022 and base is 10,000. So 1022 minus 10,000 will be 22. Now square of number will have two parts, LHP, RHP. LHP formula is number plus surplus and RHP is surplus square. Now number is 10022 plus surplus is 22 and RHP will be 22 square. Now LHP will be 10044 and RHP will be 484. Now base has 4 zeros, so RHP must contain 4 digits. So write a 0 before the hundreds digit in RHP. So LHP will be 10044 and RHP will be 0484. Now combine these to get the answer. So we'll get 100440484 as our answer. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद